Hello and welcome. Joyce Edison here, Interpersonal Wellness Services Inc. I'm so glad that you're visiting us here at our store. This is where our courses are laid out. Actually, this is just a mini section of our courses. We have very many more courses, but I wanted to give you a display. Our team thought it would be important for you to see some of our programs, some of our courses, webinar, group coaching topics, and certifications all in one place so you could get a sense of what we offer and what we continue to offer to organizations and to our entrepreneurial clients. So take a look for the ones that are of interest to you and the ones that will help you to develop your top talents. So these are some of the comments that I get from our clients. It's Joyce, I am so excited. I feel so valued that my employer has put me through this program. I have a master's degree. I've had 20 years in management or leadership, and these are the best courses I've taken. This program is the most fulfilling program that I've taken, and thank you, thank you, thank you for creating those programs. I hear that so much that it gives me quite a bit of pleasure to bring our programs and to expose them to everyone so that more of you can see the quality of programs we want. So if you're looking to develop that top talent, you're looking to move people from where they are to the next level, to get them to a place where they can contribute more, where they feel valued, where they feel that they want to stay in your organization. So these are created for those of you who want to attract, to retain, and to engage your top talents. These programs, these group coaching programs are very dynamic. These webinars, these virtual workshops, wherever you are in the world, we will come to you. We'll come to you either virtually or we'll come in person. So just let us know how you want us to package for you, and our many, many topics and high value programs are at your disposal. If you're looking for additional topics that you don't see here, give us a call or message us and we will get you a more comprehensive list of topics that you can explore. And we also are very good at designing and tailoring the programs to your specific needs. So if there's some changes or some shifts that you're looking for in your organization or you want to meet, we're more than happy to tailor some of our programs to your specific needs. So go ahead, explore the courses, the content, programs, and training, and give us a call. Sign up your employees or your talents or those you're developing to a course right now. So these are readily available. Or if you were looking to buy bulk to bring in for large groups, we do that for many, many of our organizations in both federal, government, private, Crown Corporation. We work with large and small organizations. So let us know where you are, where your budget is, and what we can tailor to meet your specific needs. We'll be more than happy to do that for you. Thanks for dropping by, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye now.